So in this video, I'm going to be touching on the topics of what would the wealthy do with your real estate cash flow or your cash flow in anything. It could be business, it could be leftover income from your job, your 401k, it could be an inheritance. I'm going to touch on these topics because this is how the rich gets wealthy from cash flow. And hopefully you can take these same steps and apply it to yourself to put you in a better, more comfortable financial situation to eventually lead to wealth. My name is Roy Mason. The channel is North Carolina Real Estate, giving you all the top trends and also financial education. So let's get into it. Now, we all know that the wealthy and the rich, the first thing they would do is invest in real estate. Why would they invest in real estate? Because real estate produces income. Yes, I know you've heard a lot about real estate producing passive income. It is passive to a certain point, but it produces income and also it gives them tax advantages where they can use that tax advantage and income to buy other properties. Now, I know you've seen a whole host of YouTubers or YouTube economists stating that you should buy a business and only real estate gives you $100 to $200 a month, which is little to no returns. But I would say that if you are making this profit, that kind of profit, you haven't purchased real estate the right way. My information is in the description and below if you want to know how to purchase real estate the right way. Now, what they do not tend to let you know, these YouTubers, real estate economists, is that when you start a business, and real estate is a business, your profit margin is not going to be high. How do you get your profit margin high? When the business or real estate appreciates, so that way it produces more income throughout the years. Now, if you're buying into a successful business that's already successful and making multi-million-dollar returns, you're going to have multi-million-dollar money. And if you wouldn't be watching this video if you're already wealthy, because there's no point. So that's one way the rich would use your cash flow to acquire wealth or start building wealth. Another thing they would use their wealth for is to buy luxury items. Yes, luxury items. There is value in luxury. Now you see the wealthy with Lamborghinis and Ferraris and Rolexes. These items do not depreciate, they appreciate. And it gives them a high resale value when they go in and return it, and also art too. Now, if you want to learn how to be an art flipper or art consumer, I suggest you watch those channels because there is a lot of money in art. There's a lot of money in art. So do not hesitate to buy items of value. Maybe you can't go out there and buy a Lamborghini or a Rolex, but there are items that I know that do have value. Probably like baseball cards, things of that nature. A whole host of things that probably I can't go into because I'm all about real estate, that you could flip and make money doing with your cash flow. Also, the rich gives to charity. They give to charity because they know that it's also a tax write-off. They are not stingy with their money. It's just that when the wealthy lend out their cash flow, they expect a return, which the lower middle class and the middle class don't. They would give, the middle class, lower middle class will give to a charity and not expect anything in return because they are just being generous. But the wealthy sponsor charity events, give to charities, give to nonprofit organizations, and they get those tax advantages to invest more into income producing assets. Also, when they acquire the wealth from real estate and the tax advantages, they pour their money into more real estate, and they would also pour their money into established businesses. Now, You're probably thinking that I said in the beginning of the video that real estate is more important to invest in real estate than in a business. Yes, because if you investing in a successful business, it's already producing returns, which means it's gonna be more expensive, which could not be affordable to your cash flow. So you want to work up to a successful business. So they're gonna put their hands in the business or partnership with someone that's already having a successful business. And you know, businesses produce all types of income and all types of tax advantages within the business and within that area. And then they would pour that money back into real estate because the rich and the wealthy are worried, and their number one concern is not giving all their money to taxes. So they're gonna put it in areas where it has tax advantages and they get money back. So I just wanted to share with you on how the wealthy would use your cash flow to become rich and also more wealthier with their money or with your cash flow. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel, please like, and I see you next video.